Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to confirm your identity on Facebook. So there will be time that you will be asked for an identity by Facebook when your account is suspicious. Like for example, so you will just log in again and then you will click logs or get started, and then here you can update or confirm your name. Here I'll choose confirm name and then continue. Then I will just fill up my name to confirm that the name I'm using on Facebook is correct. And then click confirm name. You will be asked to submit some ID or documents containing your name to confirm it. Then just click submit. So that's how you confirm your identity on Facebook. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.